So this is another video in our series of sharing my basic knowledge with you all, so you can help more dogs, more puppies. Today's video is about how to treat skin infections on street. There are two types of skin infections. One is mange and the second is fungal infection. The one problem that people face is that they keep giving mange medicine for fungal infection too, and it doesn't cure the fungal, and the dog or puppy situation gets worse. So first point will be how to differentiate between mange and fungal infection if you cannot take your dog to vet for skin test. If it is mange, then you will notice that your dog's fur, the coat will slowly start decreasing, that it will start losing hair slowly. That's how mange starts, and then it loses from one patch more hair, from another space a patch of more hair, like that mange happens. But if it is fungal, you will notice in the beginning only, you will notice your dog like biting itself, itching itself and creating wounds like this, small wounds, and both leads to hardening of the skin if not treated on time. Also, the dog or puppy suffering from mange and fungal infection has more focus on the itching, and it won't eat properly, which will in turn cause the disease to increase. So we want to treat the disease as soon as possible. Mange can be treated with only medicine, but fungal infection cannot be treated with only medicine. In both the things, you need to give them medicinal bath if you can. If not, then you have to rely on medicine. Normally, what medicine we all are giving to our dogs for mange is Neomac, which is ivermectin, but you cannot give ivermectin in high doses. You have to make sure that you weigh your dog. You can give 1 tablet per 10 kgs. Do not give ivermectin to a lactating mother. Do not give this tablet to puppies under 3 months of age. When puppies under 3 months of age develop mange, you give them deworming. For fungal infection like this one, the best remedy is to apply lotion. I've been applying this Kiskin lotion. Say for example, I have a dog who doesn't like this lotion, and once I've applied the lotion on him, he won't come near me for 3 days. But it's okay, because this stays effective for 3 or more days. And if you can give puppy or a dog a medicinal bath, like I have a shampoo that has tea tree oil in it, very effective. If you can find a shampoo like that and you give bath to your dog with that, the fungal infection will go. Now, how to apply a lotion? You take a good amount of lotion in your hand, or if you like, you could wear gloves before doing this, and you apply on every single body part. Do not leave any body part, their paws, their face, their tummy, everything. And then use a brush. Brush will help to evenly distribute the lotion on the body and will remove any dead skin, any hardening of the skin. Also, keep in mind that skin infections cannot be treated overnight or in a week. It takes about a month for a puppy or a dog to recover from a skin infection, more than a month sometimes. It is like you cannot avoid your dogs getting skin infections on street because they eat anything. They would, if you don't feed them sweet stuff, they will eat it from somewhere else. If you're giving them some nice food, they'll eat bad food from somewhere else. So all you can do is keep an eye on them. As soon as they develop the disease, you treat it. You don't let it go and increase. Also, you have to educate your surroundings, because people tend to think that puppy suffering from any skin infection is harmful for them. It is not. They will not catch anything from the puppy. When you're giving Neomac to the dogs, you keep in mind that a high dose of Neomac can affect their kidneys and their liver. So you weigh your dog, then you give the medicine accordingly. Also, Neomac should not be given every day. It must be given after every 7 days, once per week. And after 3 weeks, your dogs will get better. If not, then you give 1 more week. So you give them 4 weeks course, 1 medicine per week, 1 tablet per week. Before giving medicine to your dog, you make sure that your dog is not sick, is not vomiting, is not doing any diarrhea, is eating properly. Only then you give any medicine to your dog. Also, the skin diseases can spread easily between dogs. So if you do not treat one dog on time, you will have 4 dogs with the same thing. So you should treat the disease as soon as you see. The main cause of fungal infection is water, humidity. Just how fungus develops normally in damp places. If your dog has been sitting in a damp place, there are chances that he or she will develop fungal infection. To avoid spreading mange from one dog to another, you have to maintain a cleanliness routine. Always wash your hands after touching a mange dog so you don't spread it to other dogs. Always take shower before going out, after handling a dog with skin infection. Wear clean clothes so you don't be a carrier of the disease to other dogs.